Okay, guys, we're working on 2011 Cadillac GTX water pump removal. But anyway, if you're gonna do a job like this, you're gonna need a second hand, because it's not an easy job. This is the water pump right here. But in order to get this water pump out, you're gonna take this thing out. This is the water pump housing right here. Gonna get that water pump housing out, and then put the water pump in from here. Just tap it in right there. Then install it. It's not an easy job, but if you think you can do it, you can do it, but you're gonna need a second hand, because they got some long screw. It's gonna make the job way difficult for you. See those screws? Yeah, it's not easy to get it out. And then you're gonna need a pulley removal tools for the water pump pulley. So if you want, you can go to AutoZone and rent those things. Things like $45 to rent them. So this is the removal, and this is the installer. See the remover? Use this to remove the pulley. Use this to install it. Let me show you where the pulley is. Alright. This is the old pulley right here. The reason we're doing this is because the water pump got stuck and couldn't spin, so it burned the belt. See that? And this is the new pulley right here. Okay. That's a new pulley. So about install it in the next 30 to 45 minutes. It's not an easy job.